A bicycle with full tires feels light. The wheels turn smoothly. Each pedal stroke carries the rider forward. Then the tires lose air. The bicycle still works, but suddenly it feels heavy, slow, and stubborn. Many people say, the tire touches more ground, so friction is bigger. That is not the real answer. For ordinary dry friction between solid surfaces, contact area alone is not the main factor. A wider contact patch does not automatically mean a larger friction force. The harder ride comes from deformation. A soft tire flattens where it touches the ground. As the wheel turns, each part of the tire is constantly being bent, compressed, released, and bent again. Rubber is not perfectly elastic, and when it deforms, part of the mechanical energy is lost inside the material as heat. This loss is called hysteresis. That is the main reason a soft tire wastes energy. The tire is not simply rolling. It is being kneaded by the road. A properly inflated tire keeps its shape better. The contact patch is smaller and the rubber flexes less. Less deformation means less energy is lost per wheel rotation. An underinflated tire spreads out more. Its sidewalls bend more. The tread squashes more. The rider must keep replacing the energy that disappears into repeated rubber deformation. This is called rolling resistance. It is different from sliding friction. Sliding friction happens when two surfaces scrape across each other. Rolling resistance happens even when the tire does not slip. The wheel can roll cleanly, yet still lose energy because the tire and road deform under load. The effect becomes obvious on a bicycle because human power is limited. A rider cruising at modest speed may produce only a few hundred watts. If the tires waste more of that power as heat, the rider feels it immediately. The road also matters. On smooth pavement, high tire pressure usually reduces deformation losses. On rough ground, extremely high pressure can make the bike bounce and vibrate, wasting energy in another way. That is why racing bikes, mountain bikes, and commuter bikes use different tire pressures. But the central rule remains simple. A tire must deform to support the bicycle. Too much deformation costs energy. The common misconception is that soft tires are harder to ride because there is more friction area. The better explanation is that the tire becomes a moving spring that never gives all the energy back. Every rotation bends the rubber. Every bend turns a little motion into heat. The rider does not see that heat, but the legs feel it.